Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Tamil Nadu cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make street style onion samosa at home. To prepare this recipe, firstly take a mixing bowl and into that add 1 cup of maida or all purpose flour. Now add salt as per taste and mix the dry ingredients well. Add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. Once your soft dough is prepared, cover this with a plastic wrap and allow this to rest for another 15 to 30 minutes before further use. Knead the dough once again and divide the dough into equal portions and roll them into small balls. Dust the dough with all-purpose flour on both the sides and roll them thin with the help of a rolling pin. Now repeat the same process for the rest of the dough as well. Next, take a non-stick pan or a tawa, and once the tawa is hot enough, place the samosa sheet on top of it and flip them over and cook for about 3 to 4 seconds. Stop further cooking once little bumps start appearing on top of it. Cut the extra edges of the samosa sheet and do not discard them as we will be using it further in our recipe. Next, to prepare the filling, take 2 medium-sized onion and chop them into thin slices. Now take a mixing bowl and add the chopped onions into it. Now add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of dried chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this well, and finally into this add 1 tablespoon of rice flour or rice powder. You can alternatively even add semolina or rava instead of that. Next, take another bowl and into that add 3 teaspoons of maida or all-purpose flour and add 1/4 cup of water and mix this well into a thick paste. Next, to prepare the samosa, keep the samosa sheet, filling and the maida paste nearby. Now roll the samosa sheet into a cone and place the filling inside. Now seal the corner or any of the open sides with the maida paste. Repeat the same process for the rest of the samosa sheet as well. Next, take another kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, transfer the samosas into it. Flip the samosas and cook them uniformly in medium to high flame until they turn golden brown. Next, into the same oil, add the previously cut edges from the samosa sheet. Deep fry this as well until they turn crisp and golden brown. Now your delicious street style onion samosa is ready. This is crisp from outside and well cooked in the inside. So do try this during this Ramadan season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.